Ganesh Chandra. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to helping learning mathematics in understanding method. Because sometimes some answers are short and easy, but we cannot understand that. So every person understanding capacity are different. So I teach you the lot of method to learn mathematics in easily and understanding. So today's topic coordinate geometry. In previous video we have already learned that what is the coordinate of the any point in graph, what is the distance formula of coordinate. Today we learn how we can find the name of draw by distance formula. Today we have given a coordinate geometry which find the name of coordinator which vertex are A, B, C, D are this. And we don't know in these four coordinates which is the side. It may be possible AC is the side, but and AB may be possible. It is not confirmed for anyone to decide which is the side, which is the diagonal. For at a time, then we find the distance of all coordinate to each other. All point coordinate distance from each other. So first we find the distance from A point. Here I find the distance from A point to all other point, means AB. Distance formula are I have already know that the root x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. By this method I can calculate the AB is equal to x2 is minus 1 and 1, x2 y2, and x1 y1 is minus 2 minus 1. Then we got plus 2 whole square plus 1 whole square plus then we get minus 1 plus 2 means 1, 1 ka square means 1, 1 plus 1 2 ka square 4. Then we get AB is equal to root 5. Here I find the distance easily and short because here we have to find the all values of the distance. So I find next value is AC because I am taking first A point with respect to all others. AC is equal to 5 plus 2 whole square and minus 2 plus 1 whole square. Then we get 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 square is 49 and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 square is 1 plus 1 is equal to root 50. In next we find the AD. AD equals to root, in AD we have 4 plus 2 whole square and minus 4 plus 1 whole square. 4 plus 2 is 36, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36. Then we get 36 plus and minus 4 plus 1 means minus 3 square is 9. So 36 plus 9 is root 45. Here we find that the value of distance from A point to other are all are different. AB, AC and AD. Next, I find take the point B and I take the distance from all other point not A because A I have already solved the all other point. So I take BC. BC equals to 5 plus 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 1 whole square. Then we get 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 ka square 36 and minus 2 minus 1 square is minus 3 square means 9. 36 plus 9 is equal to root 45. In next I find the BD. In BD we check that 4 plus 1 whole square and next minus 4 minus 1 whole square. Then we get 25 plus 25 equals to root 50. Root 50. In next, I find the distance of last CD. CD distance means because after C we have only one point D. Every time you remember that you cannot find the distance of previous point. So because they are AB is equal to BA. So we does not need to find the distance from B to A again. So CD is equal to 4 minus 5 whole square plus minus 4 plus 2 whole square equals to root 4 minus 1, 4 minus 5 whole square means minus 1 ka square means 1 plus next minus 4 plus 2 means minus 2 square is 4 is equal to root 5. Here we see that means AB equals to CD equals to root 5 here, and next BC is equal to AD is root 45, and last AC is equal to BD equals to root 50. Here we see that the all opposite side are equal and diagonal are also equal. Then in quadrilateral definition we know that in a rectangle all opposite side are equal and diagonal are also equal. So we can say that it is rectangle. I am again repeating that in quadrilateral, if only opposite side are equal, then it is called parallelogram. If all sides are equal, then it is called rhombus. If opposite side are equal and diagonal are also equal, then it is called rectangle, which is this. And last, if all four sides are equal and diagonal are also equal, that is called square. That is called square. By this method, we can calculate on the only name of four quadrilateral, which name is parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, and square. So let's take another questions. Here we have given prove that the point of 2, minus 2, 1 and 5, 2 are the coordinate of right angle triangle. In triangle, we can find the name of only equilateral triangle if all sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. If no sides are equal, then it is called scalene triangle. This triangle we can find. And also we can find the right angle triangle, because in right angle triangle the largest side square equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. By this method we can find the name of these four type of triangle, but we cannot find the name of triangle that is acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle by distance formula. So solving it, first we take the name of these all 3 point 2, minus 2, B, minus 2, 1 and C, 5, 2. Here we find the distance of each point to all other point. So first I find the distance of AB. AB equal to root minus 2 whole square plus 1 plus 2 whole square. Then we get minus 2 whole square is minus 4 whole square means 16 and 3 square is 9. Then we get root 25 equal to 5. Next, BC, root 5 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square. 5 plus 2 whole square is 49 and 2 minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 means root 50. Root 50. So next, AC. By factorization we can also change it in 5 root 2, because by factorization 5 make a pair but 2 does not make the pair. Next, AC we get square root 5 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Then we get 5 minus 2 means 3 ka square, yani 9 plus 2 plus 2 4 ka square 16. Then we get root 25 equals to 5. Now if we want to prove it is right angle triangle, check what is the largest side. Here largest side is BC. So take BC square equals to AB square plus AC square. By here by observing we see that the BC is the largest side. So write the value of here root 50 square equals to root 25 square plus root 25 square. After taking the square of any square root, then square root will be cancelled. Then we get 50 is equal to 25 plus 25. Then we get 50 equal to 50. Here Pythagoras theorem are proved. So it is a right angle triangle. By this calculation we find the name of right angle triangle. So let's take another question. Again, always remember that in distance formula we can calculate the only 4 type of triangle and 4 type of quadrilateral. Triangle are isosceles triangle, scalene triangle and equilateral triangle and right angle triangle. And quadrilateral is parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle and square. These 4. So let's take another question. Here we have given that prove that these 3 points are collinear. For proving any 3 points are collinear, first we name these 3 point coordinate. So first we take A is 1 1, B minus 2 77 and C is 3 minus 3. Here it is 7 numbers. So first we find the distance of all these 3 points. First find the AB. AB equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square means minus 2 minus 1 whole square. Next 7 minus 1 whole square. After solving minus 2 minus 1 same sign will be add. Then we get minus 3 square is 9 plus 7 minus 1 square is 6 square is 36. 36 plus 9 is root 45. By factorization we can factorize it. Then we get 3 root 5 because we get only pair of 3. We did not get pair of 5. Next BC. BC square root 3 plus 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus 7 whole square. Then we get 3 plus 2 means 5. 5 square is 25. Next minus 3 minus 7 minus 10. Minus 10 square is 100. Means we get 125. If we take prime factorization, then we get one pair of 5. But we have one another that have not pair of 5. So we have solution is 5 root 5. Next we find the distance of AC. AC equals to 3 minus 1 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square. We know that 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4 and minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 square is 16. Then we get root 20 and we find the square root of this. By prime factorization we get pair of 2 but do not get pair of 5. So write it 2 root 5. For proving any 3 points are collinear, the sum of two distance is equal to the third distance. Means BC equals to AB plus AC. Here sum of two distance is equal to the third. So then it is collinear. So BC is 5 root 5, AB is 3 root 5 and AC is 2 root 5. We know that if root number are same, then we add the outer number on same sign. Then we get 5 root 5 is equal to 5 root 5. Here the sum of the distance of two parts equal to the total parts. Then it is a collinear. So by this method we can find the 3 points are collinear. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon and wait for next video.